Welcome to Tech and Code Report with Aymal. In this video, I will build a Landbot chatbot for lead generation in under 5 minutes. So let's get started. First of all, let's go to landbot.io, click on sign up, and let's sign up now. After completing the sign up, you will end up on the screen like this, where the Landbot AI Copilot will ask you some questions. Fill that up, and it will lead you to the first AI agent creation. I will just fill up the form and you will see what happens on the next screen. As this use case is focused on generating leads for a website, so that is what I'm going to build in this video. Let's start from scratch. Okay, so it will take you to where you have to build your new agent. I will be building a simple question answer chatbot which will just gather the lead data and nothing more. So we will ask for the type of cleaning they need or the type of service they need. So we will ask a question. Instead of asking a question, I think it is better we will ask the question via buttons. So where we can give them buttons like the cleaning type, move in, move out, or what other cleaning type is needed. And we will have like a welcome question test which you will be asking. So, hello, welcome to cleaning service. How may I help you? Now let's copy this and delete ask a question and use the buttons option. Add the text body as the welcome message. Now let's add about 5 buttons, different buttons for the type of cleaning we need: routine cleaning, commercial cleaning, move in, move out, and deep cleaning. Also, we need to save the answer in a variable or save the answer in a field. Let's use the field name as cleaning underscore type. As you can see, I'm trying to write a camel case, it's not being accepted. So let's use cleaning underscore type and click save as type text. Okay, so this will save the button response in this answer field. Now the next thing is let's publish this and let's run a small test, just see if it is running or not. There is nothing in the lead generation bot right now, but as you can see the button worked. And now let's complete the flow by adding the complete flow, like asking for phone number, address, name, and then also the date, and then finally telling them okay, we have noted this down and our team will let you know. So now let's join the nodes, create ask for name, then go to ask for a phone in the questions type of nodes. Now let's call the other one as ask for, I think, phone name. We now need to ask for date. Now we have name, phone, date, and now let's ask for the question as address. We can ask for address by using the default available questions in Landbot, and then finally give them a response. Okay, we have noted down your response and one of our team member will get back to you. You can always check the conversation in logs, or what over here is referred as chat history, or where your live agent can see it or any admin can see it. So even if you don't save it in any variable, still your team members can see the conversation. So let's give them a final response back. I've informed our team we will get back to you as soon as possible. Let's publish this and give it a test. Let's say routine cleaning. Then we can say my name is Aymal. My phone number, I'll just give it a random phone number. Then select the date, Today is 16, so I will select 17th April and ask for address. I will just type in house and send it to the chatbot. So the conversation was successful. Now let's go back to Landbot and see in our inbox the conversation history. So now even if the data was not saved in any of the fields like address field or the date field, while it by default will use the phone number and the cleaning type, also the name which we had used, so but it is not creating for the date and also for the address. We can create a new field over here, like the sales team or the lead team can create it over here also, but you can add it in the chatbot depending on your needs, as this is just an overview of the first interaction with Landbot. So this is just a basic overview, and see you in the next video for more detail focused real use cases using agentic AI.